I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself, can you come and fuck? Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
Guys, welcome back. So it is the next day. We literally had a ball at the beach. It was actually Juju's first time, so he was so excited. We're at the beach. We made it to the beach. We're missing Lyric, but Lyric's at Six Flags with her friends. Like 4 or 5 hours, and that freaking sun drained me. So exhausted when we got back, but it was so nice. Eddie wound up getting sunburned. Luckily I didn't. I had a lot of sunblock, but his skin is really sensitive. But overall, the last 2 days have been so exciting and so fun, and the kids have had a blast. I just took a whole day yesterday to just do nothing because I was just like, I'm exhausted. But today we have a lot to do, and I wanted to finish the vlog out. Now I'm actually in front of Dollar Tree because I have to get some paper towel. I also bought a new mirror from Walmart the other day, but it doesn't have like the mounting thing on it, so I have to get that there. And then I'm gonna go to the grocery store, which is literally right here, to get some ingredients because I want to make some burritos tonight. I was looking on Pinterest yesterday. Girl got inspired. Pinterest is a bad influence because it's making me spend money when I know I shouldn't. Summertime, I'm always trying to make different things but lighter meals because it's so hot to eat. So we're gonna go get that. I wrote it down in my phone, y'all. My freaking eyes are killing me. I should be wearing my glasses, but to make a doctor's appointment for Juju. Definitely need to vacuum the car. There's so much sand in here from our feet. So I need to take some more pictures for Depop. I have a Depop website. I don't know if I told you guys this, but it's basically me selling my clothes. I have so many freaking clothes. The most I've ever worn them was maybe once or twice. Everything is in brand new condition. So I'm going to try them on and try to get that website up and going. I can shop my closet. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The link will be in my description. And I also had to take care of some business as far as my new business venture that I was telling you guys. I want to tell you guys so freaking bad. I'm waiting for another shipment, which should be here in about another 2 weeks. And then the website will be up, and then I'll be able to tell you guys everything. Handle stuff on my website. And then that's pretty much it. And I have some bad news to tell you guys. We'll talk about that later. It's not that bad, but it was definitely something that discouraged me. But we're not going to deal with the negativity. It has been going amazing. And, you know, we just take one thing at a time. That's what we're going to do right now. It's hot as hell. It's about 97 degrees. So I'm going to run into Dollar Tree real quick, get that, go to the grocery store, and then we'll go back to the house.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in back home from doing my running around. When I went to Dollar Tree, I was only supposed to go for 2 things. Just 2 things. Came out with like 8 different things. I'm gonna tell y'all why though. Love doing like little projects around the house and seeing like the before and after just makes me feel so motivated. It's very therapeutic, you know, when you can just find little things to do in your house, and especially if it's inexpensive. So let me show you to do my bathroom over because I get bored really easily. Between the bathroom, the living room is really way overdue. In the bedroom, I'm always wanting to change the decor. So I was like, black and white is gonna be the next theme. So why did I see this as I was standing online? And I'm like, that's my sign right there. This will be perfect for the bathroom. It says beauty doesn't rinse off. Do a black and white theme for the bathroom because I feel like that's very modern and it's classy. I also found this. How cute is this? So cute, looks so expensive. It's giving luxury vibes, you know? 2 of those. And then I think I got a nice little vase. I'm not gonna show you guys everything because I'm gonna do a separate video on that. So stay tuned, make sure your notifications on because we're gonna get the bathroom right. These masks, Dollar Tree stepped it up. They have satin pillowcases now. They had all different colors. I think they had like a beige, black, gray, and I wanna say it was like a reddish orange color. This is a white and black one. It says good morning. This one says good night. So super cute because you guys know it's a must to sleep with satin pillowcase. If you're not putting satin on your head when you go to sleep, then you need to have this on your pillowcase. To the grocery store, got everything I needed from the grocery store. And of course I got extra stuff. I called the doctors and make an appointment for Juju. His appointment is basically for his like 3-year-old checkup, but the next day after the beach, he woke up with a runny nose. And I'm like, what the hell? So I'm guessing it's because of the air conditioner, because I'm not gonna lie, I had it on full blast and he was sleeping with just his underwears and no shirt. And he likes to kick the blankets off. So I'm assuming his body got chilled or whatever. Get through to his doctor's office is a whole nother stressful situation. Because now they changed it. You can no longer just call like the doctor's office. You gotta call and wait, answering service, and then they'll send the message to the doctor, and then the doctor will call you back. You're gonna make something to eat. I'm starving. She actually texted me when I was in the store and was like, "Ma, can you get some fruit? Because I want to make some smoothies." So I might make a smoothie and maybe like an egg sandwich. Speaking of the devil, hey girl, I know oats. Oh, look who decided to join me. You gonna make the smoothie, Lyric? Or am I making it?
Wait, we have to.
Yeah, 100 damn degrees. And these kids walking around with hoodies. My baby is making me some breakfast. This is the best part about having a tween. Somebody about to be a whole teenager in like, when's your birthday?
14 days.
Less than 2 weeks, y'all. Some spaghetti from last night is bussin'. Breakfast is done. My baby made me an egg sandwich. I really want the chocolate though, but we'll try it. What'd you mix it with?
Chocolate almond milk, banana, granola, peanut butter, and we have to get the oats out.
And we didn't put the honey in it, but it's not bad.
Next time I'm adding a little bit of peanut butter.
That's good.
Yeah, I just don't like peanut butter.
50, let's do our checkoff list. Got dinner to the Dollar Tree. Juju a doctor's appointment. Definitely need to clean my room up a little bit. Guys, the mirror I got this mirror from Walmart maybe like last week or something. I had like 2 or 3 mirrors, but of course they break when you have kids. Y'all see the fingerprints already? People say it's bad luck when you break mirrors. So I was just like, I don't need no more bad luck coming my way, so I just avoided it. But you need a mirror when you get dressed. I actually had some leftover like little decorative pieces that I use for I think Father's Day or whatever. And I was like, this would be perfect for the mirror. So all I did was just add them on. They just stick right on. And it made such a difference with the mirror. Y'all know I'm extra. It looks so cute. I want to put it on the wall. So I'm like, where should I put it? I don't really have a lot of space in my room. Like every corner is occupied. What I'm thinking is I can get rid of this shoe rack. Because honestly, the stuff that's on here is just like, just kick around stuff. I'm going to get rid of this rack, honestly, because I feel like this is not even the appropriate rack. I think this is a shoe rack, if I'm not mistaken. Get rid of that, and then we can put the mirror right here. And I really wanted to try to get a little desk and chair so I can edit my videos, because I really don't have a space, like an office space to edit. I gotta go. I gotta look on Amazon and try to get like some organizers so that I can put my sneakers in. I have too many sneakers and they're constantly falling down. This irritates the hell out of my soul. So I'm probably just gonna put this out, give it away to somebody or whatever. Yeah, somebody come get this. Move it out the way. This is the perfect space to get like a nice little desk and chair. I have to go to Walmart. Take my shoes off. That's not for little boys. Give me my shoe. I'm serious. You're gonna twist your whole ankle. It's not funny. Bruh, 103 degrees. I'm in 5 below. What store am I in?
Big Lots. Look.
Ended up in Big Lots because I need a table and a desk.
Candles in here.
Good vibes only. Does it smell good?
No.
I better talk loud because I'm gonna get copyrighted. Find a little desk and a little chair. If not, probably gonna go to Walmart. Maybe another day because it's hot as hell. Oh, see, this is why I can't come in here. So I see that they have some office chairs right here. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not trying to spend a lot of money, to be honest, because I'm trying to move and I'm going to do everything all over again when I move. What's this? It's an adjustable desk. This might work, y'all. This one is nice. I feel like this one would match my my dresser. That chair, though, this one is exactly $100, but I want white. Cute, but it's too big. I should have done my measurements first, y'all. Somebody got money in their hand. Can I hold something?
I like this chair, Mommy.
I know, we need a recliner.
Mommy.
Yes?
Look,
Oh, what is that? I said dog. No, get down. Get down. We're going to get kicked out. Love, love, love. I love it. Love this one too. This is beautiful. Girl, you about to fall. You get kicked out. Can't bring my kids nowhere, y'all. Get your butt up. So this is what I ended up going with. I got this chair from Big Lots. It was originally $8. I got it for $40. I really wanted a chair that had arms to it, but I couldn't resist this. It's super cute, and you know, for the price, you can't beat it. And then I bought another desk from Big Lots, but it was $80 and I didn't really like it. It's actually still in my trunk. Then I went to Walmart and I seen this, and this was on sale for $50. So me and Lyric are gonna try to put this together. Hopefully it's easy assembly, because y'all know I do not have patience when it comes to putting things together. Y'all, dinner's done. This is what my burrito looks like. I cannot wait to eat this. I got my salsa. Always need like a dipping sauce. I just have to. So I'm just gonna put it like that. How could I forget the cheese? I knew I was missing something. I'm about to tear this up. You hear me? I'm about to tear it up. A little bit of cheese. Oh my God, y'all. Did you look at that? Yes, Shells does it again. You a woman that can cook. Burrito. I know I'm not gonna be able to eat all of this. You want some burrito? Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at my baby. She doing it for me. She's the real MVP. She done made Mama breakfast. She assembling Mommy's chair. I got it made.
Yep. No.
That one stuck?
Yeah, it like you have to push it down.
All right, guys, so it's the next day. Lyric and I finished my table and stand probably like 10 o'clock. We kind of took breaks in between, literally a piece of cake to put together. Just got out the shower. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. I'm actually editing this video. It's going to be out today. Where I decided to put the mirror. I feel like it's perfect right here. Get rid of the boxes back there. Don't mind the boxes. Yeah.
I love you.
I love you. This is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it looks so good. Love my chair. It's so cute. It has the wheels on it. It has a little drawer, my journals, my self-help books, my pens, charger. Now I got my little office space. You can't tell me nothing. You see, huh? It's a vibe. It's perfect for me to just edit my videos, and you can also look out the window at the same time. I've been snacking all day. I think I got a tapeworm. I've been eating this. I went from eating leftovers to eating a piece of pound cake. In Canada. But gotta tell you the bad news before I get out of here. Quick story time, y'all. I don't know how I feel about my hair. I have to return the other desk. But anyway, the bad news is your girl hit 100K. Maybe like a month and a half ago. So basically when you hit that milestone on YouTube, whether it be 100,000, 500,000, a million, and so on and so forth, you usually get like a reward and you get a plaque. I waited a few, days after. Who the hell's calling me? After receiving the good news that I hit 100K, and I was like, okay, next step is me receiving my plaque. Usually you'll get like a message on your dashboard. If you do YouTube, you'll understand. It's basically like your channel, whatever. It'll give you like notifications about your channel, certain things, so on and so forth. And basically you have to like apply to become to see if you're eligible to receive your reward. So I didn't hear anything, and I was just like, okay, your girl superseded 100,000. Like, what's the hold up? Reached out to whatever YouTube, and unfortunately I'm not able to receive an award due to something with a video maybe like a year ago. It wasn't like a strike or anything, but I guess it was a warning. And basically like YouTube has like new guidelines where everything needs to be like friendly. And if it shows any type of, inappropriate or any harmful content, anything that is not to their guidelines, then that can definitely affect you from getting your award. Me not knowing or thinking anything of it, because my content is purely inspirational. I obviously had a video up there that was, I don't know. I don't think any of my videos are inappropriate, but maybe something was said or something was in my title. Whatever the case, I got a warning on a particular video maybe a year ago. So you basically have to have no strikes, no issues basically when you upload your videos for like a year. So basically I'm not able to get my award. I have to basically try to become eligible again after 90 days. So sad face. And I'm with the devil just trying to stop and block my blessings because he sees your girl is elevating, and we're not gonna have that. That's not gonna discourage me. At first it discouraged me, but you know what? I realized when you start doing good in your life, there's gonna be so many different things that try to distract you and jump in, and the devil doesn't want to see you prosper. But I didn't harp on it too long, even though I did feel discouraged about their decision, being that I worked so hard with my videos and stuff like that. But it's all good. We're not gonna sweat the small stuff. I got one plaque on the wall. I'm gonna get my plaque, period. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to go to Big Lots, return that desk. Didn't get a chance to do my Depop. My clothes are just sitting in this damn bag. All of these clothes in this bag and like another bag in my closet somewhere, so I have to try them on and basically put it on my website. You guys stay tuned for that. I'll put the link down below. And also I have an Amazon storefront, so everything that I list in my videos, you can click on the link, and it also helps your girl get a small commission. So you already know what that means. Show that love. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys... Yes, baby boo. It's okay. I'll give you a kissy. Let me kiss it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you stay tuned for more. Leave your girl a comment. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Show your girl some love. Love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next vlog.
Simply Cheryl, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.